Hello, we're here with SLE Equipment today to look at this 5x8 dump trailer. This dump trailer does have all the hydraulics in a tucked away neat box in the front. We do have our electronic control, the hydro fluid tank, battery. On the front we also have our safety chains and breakaway cable. The side of the dump trailer comes with stake pockets, so you can raise the sides if needed. The front also comes where you can have a tarp mounted. Here we'll look at our wheels and tires. The center cap is easy lube, so you can take that middle cap out, so it's easier to lube the axle. We do have a 6-lug wheel. Fenders are diamond plate. Of course, the trailer also has its safety tape. I do have the bed up to show the tilt angle. Take a look underneath the bed for the structure. Doubling back to the front here, we'll let the dump down. Now with the lug pattern being 6-lug, it is a 5,200 pound axle. As we double back around the back side here, we'll see the rear gate. If you have any questions on this dump trailer, you can give us a call at 615-641-7720. We'll be happy to assist you. Thank you.